Bitcoin has currently hit the 28,400 mark. We got a nice spike last night, and the previous trade that we gave last week ended up hitting take profit. We had 2 losses and 1 win. So to be honest, the week ended up at break even. So you can see that's why trading is so imperative, to have your risk under control and understand the long-term vision, because we got 2 trades wrong and 1 trade right, meaning a 33% win rate, and I'm still break even. So imagine if we won 2, then we are straight away in a profit. Kind of want to go through the day trading side first, because I feel like there's a little bit more interesting, because right now we've basically created a lot more new zones. Now when I say a lot more new zones, it's basically because price is now starting to move. We're starting to get larger candles, and when we have larger candles, old support and resistance are broken. Now that's why we need to keep updated with the key levels, and when we stay updated with the key levels, what we're trying to look for is, are there anything that we're missing? Is there any prices that I need to be aware of? And where could I potentially get some more trades and look at areas where I can capitalize on my risk to reward and get those trades going? So speaking of which, don't forget to check out the link in the description for Bybit, because there's actually up to 40,000, that's right, $40,000 worth of bonuses and an airdrop to help you on your trading journey. Right now that I can see, I'm going to go onto a higher time frame just to kind of look at the overall, and we can see that during this whole section over the past couple of months, we've just been trading like a yo-yo between 27,500 and 25,800 in general, or the 26k mark. But we've come as low as a 24,000, and now we've just spiked up to the 28,500. So these are kind of what we'd say the highs and the lows of this current period. So are we going to be trading in this whole region in general? That's the question we've got to look at. Really and truly, we want to see a breakout, because when we have a breakout, that's when the markets can trend. When the markets can trend, the trend is your friend. You are able to make more higher probability trades and higher probability setups, because say the uptrend is there, then the overall bias is to buy. If we're on a downtrend, then we sell. I don't mind which trend it's in. I just want something secure and a high probability and confirmed, rather than the market's just going up, down, up, down, up, down, and sideways, because that's a very hard market to trade overall. Now you can do buys and sells, which I've talked about here in the past. So in the past, what I was saying is, if we just kept buying on this support, you would have made a very, very good amount of return on your investment. But it is also very difficult, because it does wick straight all the way down, which we can see a few times it did. And then we ended up just mooning. So it's just a very, very undecided and also lower probability in general. So enough about that. Now let's go on to the updates on the key levels as we mentioned. So the 27,500 is still a-okay, and the reason being is because that is now broken, and even though that's broken, guess what, price has now hit that current level and is a support. So that's beautiful. I can see one more key level which I can see overall that hasn't been drawn, and that's probably because I haven't had it confirmed enough, but I'm just going to have it for this short time period here, and this basically is this support. So we can see price milked all the way to 26k, rejected this fully within one candle and pulled all the way back up. So that is a very, very aggressive stop loss hunt, and as soon as I keep that level and I drag it all the way left, we can see that that has actually been respected on the 23rd of August and even more times in the past as well. So even if we drag it all the way to the left, look at that. Literally, you can't make this up. This is why it's so crazy. Look at that. Look at this key level now being retested on 17th of June all the way through here as a support, and overall it's just a key level now that I've just put in, and it's going to be something that I'm aware of. So that is actually going to be the swing trade that we could have. We can have a stop loss below this previous low, and then a take profit just under this. And then if you wanted to, now this is a very aggressive position, it's just an idea, these are trading ideas, is that you could have a position and then run it to the current take profit level as well. Now on another trade idea, there is an entry right now because that is rejecting that support, so it'll be good to see by the time this video is out, we would have had some more market data, and you can see whether this hits stop loss or take profit, and you can review that trade, see if it was good, see if it was wrong. So then that entry is here, and then a take profit up and below. So that's on the swing side of things. If we just have a look on the lower time frame, I would probably have to wait for a little bit. And when I say wait for a bit, and then I guess this is going to be great too, we'd probably just want a push up above, and if we can get a push up above and a confirmation, I probably would get a trade like this. So that would be the day trade of today. So we've given you 3 swing trade ideas just for you guys just to have an idea of and look, review, learn and earn from. And then here is another day trade idea, so if we do break above, you can continue to trade from there. So don't forget to check out the link in the descriptions below, where there's up to $40,000 worth of bonuses to help you on your trading journey with Bybit. There's also a free airdrop as well. So it's currently not accepting the US and UK, but that may change. But link in the description and go check them out. Or we've got BitGet and our other affiliates if you do want to use them and support the channel. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for coming back. I'm coming back strong. I had really bad health recently, and you know, they say that in a Chinese saying, you can have riches but not the health. So now I'm trying to have that bit of balance at the moment, but I'm getting there, coming back stronger, just trying to look after their health, and I encourage you guys to look after your health too, and we'll see you in the next video. Champ out. Peace.